king of my heart, be the mountain where I run, the fountain I drink from. Oh, he is my song. Let the king of my heart be the shadow where I hide, the ransom for my life. Oh, he is my song. You are good, good. Oh, oh, you are good, good. Oh, you are good, good. Oh, oh, you are good, good. Oh, oh. Let the king of my heart be the wind inside my sails, the anchor in the waves. Oh, he is my song. Let the king of my heart be the fire inside my veins, the echo of my days. Oh, he is my song. You are good, good. Oh, you are good, good. Oh, you are good, good. Oh, oh, you are good, good. Oh, you're never gonna let me down. 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 You are good, good. Oh, 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 when the night is holding on to me, God is holding on. And when the night is holding on to me, God is holding on.
Hey, I hope you enjoyed that cover of King of My Heart by Sarah and John Mark McMillan. If you saw some chords in that cover that you didn't recognize, like this one, and this one, and this one, and this one, and maybe this one, those are advanced guitar chords. And if you don't know any advanced guitar chords yet, I've got something for you. It's called 25 Advanced Guitar Chords. It's a free PDF that I'll send you where you can learn some of these advanced guitar chords. So if you want that, there's a link down in the description below to 25 Advanced Guitar Chords. Just sign up for it and I'll send it to you. Other than that, thanks so much for joining me today. Until I see you in the next video, keep leading worship well.